this my friend can't dey now. Eh? Hello? Teresa, where you dey? Abeg come o, sun too much. Come comot me for here. Abeg quick drive come. Okay.
Young lady, what are you doing here? Let me see your identity card.
I no take am comot for house, sir.
I mean, let me see your ID card. Your ID card.
I
And
no.
what are you doing here at this time of the day?
I'm waiting for my friend.
And you are carrying two phones.
Yes, sir.
Two phones. Don't you know it's an offense for you to carry two phones? iPhone for that matter. You are carrying two iPhones.
It's my phone, sir.
You see what I'm putting on?
I see it, sir.
From the federal FSAS. I'm an FSAS officer. And it's against the law for you to carry two phones in your hands. So if you don't want this matter to escalate, just follow me to a nearby ATM and bail yourself with 50,000, or else you are going with me to the station.
Please, sir.
No.
Please,
don't
sir.
please me. No.
Please, sir.
Okay, you don't want to settle. Then let's go to the station.
Please, sir. Let me call my mother. Let me call my
You don't have to call
please,
your.
sir.
I said you don't have to call your mother.
Please,
You don't
sir.
have to
It's
call your
my
mother.
phone.
Let's go to the station.
It's my phone, sir.
When you get to the station this morning, you are going to be paying 500,000.
Oh my God!
So
Somebody
it's better
help
you just
me.
go to
Somebody
the ATM
help
now
me.
and
Oh, look at the
pay
way you are
yourself
just
with
holding my
50,000.
trouser, please, sir.
Yes, because it's an offense. Give me the phone in the first
Please,
place.
sir.
I said, give me the phone. It's an offense.
I didn't do
Imagine you are
anything.
holding two iPhones.
I didn't do anything, sir. It's my
Even me,
phone.
the police officer, don't even have iPhone. I'm
Oh my
using
God.
Nokia 3210, and
Oh.
you are using two
It's not my
iPhones,
fault, sir.
expensive iPhone.
It's not my fault, sir. Please,
It's not your
sir.
fault.
Please, sir.
So how did you get
Let
this?
me
What are
call
you
my
doing for?
parents.
What are you doing for a living?
Let me call my parents.
What are you doing for a living?
I'm a student,
You are
sir.
a student.
Yeah.
No ID card. So how am I sure you are a student?
My ID card is at home.
Your ID card is at
It's
home, but you didn't leave
sir.
your phone at home. Then let's go to the
Please,
station.
sir. Please, sir.
I said let's go to the station.
Please, sir. Please.
Don't please me. Let's go to the station.
Please, sir. Let me call my parents.
Okay, we shall see.
That is it, guys. You see? This is the kind of embarrassment we are facing in Nigeria. We must end SARS. We must put a stop to police brutality.
Hey guys, welcome you all back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to be discussing the issue affecting Nigeria, because we are from Nigeria and we are not happy about the police brutality.
So,
We are not happy about the killings in Nigeria. Bloodshed everywhere. Because we are watching in the internet things that is happening in Nigeria. There is a lot of bloodshed in Nigeria. So we are going to be discussing that matter now. We say end
SARS.
End
Police brutality. Hello, guys. You see that short drama we just did now? So in Nigeria, I now understand that you can't use two phones or more than two phones. I don't really understand.
Even one phone.
Even one phone, because the phone, maybe it's a high phone or a quality phone, Samsung, so you can't use it in Nigeria. Or using a flashing cars, you can't still use all those kind of things in Nigeria. It's very painful. Those days in Nigeria, when I was in Nigeria, I don't even know the meaning of SARS or SWAT. They are trying to change SARS
Now to
SWAT.
And
Yeah,
it's the same body, the same
I don't
people.
even understand the difference between SARS and SWAT. Please, our leaders,
Mr. President,
Mr. President Muhammadu
we are directing
Buhari.
this video to you.
This
Enough is enough.
exactly.
Enough is enough. Okay, enough is enough, because we in the diaspora say enough is enough.
Yes, enough is enough
Enough is enough. Things
You-
are not going well in Nigeria.
at all. Please, our leaders, Muhammadu Buhari and his co-people or his co-members, I don't know. Please, we want you to put a stop to police brutality in Nigeria. Give us light in Nigeria. They don't have light. Things are very cost.
Yeah, things are expensive.
They can't eat. Oh my God. Muhammadu Buhari, why are you president? Now they are doing a protest.
Because they are tired of what is going on in Nigeria.
And
now police are killing them.
Oh my
so
God.
The army are shooting them.
I've never seen in any country.
In any developed country.
Oh my God.
In the world. A citizen have the right to protest. A citizen have the right to protest. So I don't see any reason why you would deploy soldiers, army, to be killing innocent citizens with their flag in their hands. Former governor of Lagos State, Ahmed Tinubu, we are watching you. We are seeing what you are doing. Yesterday, the people that were protesting in Lekki toll gate, you send soldiers there and put off the light and start shooting at them. Why the bloodshed? Why killing innocent citizens? They are fighting for their rights. Because when I was growing up, they said youth are the leaders of tomorrow. But in Nigeria, youth are not the leaders of tomorrow. The old people still remain the leaders.
Yes.
The old people still remain the leaders of tomorrow in Nigeria. Youth with knowledge, with vibrance, with skills, they are rolling down the streets. Graduates with BSc, with masters, with degrees in their hands, they don't have hope of getting a job. They are riding keke lape.
Even the policemen are receiving peanuts.
Even the policemen, because they said an hungry man is an angry man. Because the police, the salary they are paying them is too little for them to feed themselves and their family. They have to transport to work. And why can a policeman be receiving 25,000 naira,
Can you imagine?
40,000 naira, and you expect that policeman not to take bribe? By the time you are paying police people
Good
salary, all this bribing and corruption will stop.
Yeah.
But the situation whereby you are paying a policeman 25,000 naira, he's going to pay his house rent. He have wife and kids to take care of. Then what else do you expect him to do? Is to create a roadblock and begin to extract the innocent citizen.
Mm-hmm.
So we say they should reform the police. Even the barracks where police are living is nothing to write home about. The police station is nothing to write home about. In diaspora, when you go to a police station, you will know that yes, this place is a police station. They are well kept. They are living good life. But in Nigeria, police they are living like animals. The place a policeman is living, you can't even drink water and drop the cup because the place is not conducive for living. So the president should try and work on that area. You should try and work on that area. Senators that are in the office, many of them, they forge certificates. They are receiving thousands of naira, millions of naira. They will collect wardrobe allowance, newspaper allowance, furniture allowance. What are all those for? What are all those for? In a developed country, things like that don't happen. Meanwhile, graduates, they are rolling down the street without work, no job, no good road, no health care, no security, no light. There is nothing you can boast of in Nigeria. Food are so expensive. Even common garri is so expensive. So what are you a president for? You block the border that they should not be importing things again. No more importation of rice. The local rice is still very expensive. So try and work on those areas.
Muhammadu Buhari, please, you are the president of the country, Nigeria. Put a stop to this police brutality. Stop killing our young ones. In fact, stop killing our people.
The youth.
Stop killing them. This is a peaceful protest they are doing and you are killing them.
Because they are fighting for their rights.
Instead, you will come out and address this issue for them. You are killing them on top of the protest.
Sending soldiers.
Sending soldiers to take their life. Yeah. And you are happy.
And your children, they are uptown. They are in abroad. They are in America, in UK. Even you, the president, are you not ashamed? If you want to go for treatment, you go to UK.
You go to Europe.
You go to America to take treatment. Are you not ashamed?
Please.
There is no good hospital in Nigeria. There is no good hospital in Nigeria. You just sit down there and begin to embezzle money. Embezzle money. That is what people are doing. So we say no to bad governance. No to bad leadership. We say no.
No. Put a stop. We don't even want.
If you are tired of that seat, resign. Resign peacefully. Resign peacefully. Because you are not capable to rule Nigeria. You are not capable. You are not capable to rule Nigeria. Resign peacefully.
And people are dying.
People are dying.
People are dying.
Hunger and starvation.
People are dying. Put a stop. Look at social media today. Our flag is full of blood. That is the part that pains me most now. Our flag is full of blood, Buhari. You are killing a people that is doing a peaceful protest. Oh, that part is paining me. My heart is bleeding. Biko Buhari, put a stop to all this. Come out, speak for your people. Because they just wake up from their slumber.
Yes.
Yeah, they just wake up from their slumber.
For more than 20 years,
how many
things
years?
like this have not happened in Nigeria.
We don't want war in Nigeria.
Had it up to here.
Buhari, they don't have any choice don't want than war to protest. In Nigeria. It's a peaceful protest. We don't want war. My mother used to say this those days. My late mother, may her soul rest in peace. He used to say it, war is not good. War is very ugly. War is very bloody. We don't want war in Nigeria.
All we want is peace.
Peace. Buhari put a stop to all this. Peace.
They are not asking too much.
Peace,
they are not asking for too much.
They are not asking for too much.
They just want a good living.
Stop the killing.
A good living,
in
that is
Nigeria,
what they want.
Buhari.
They want a good living. They are not asking for too much. A good living. A common man needs to live well. A good living. Create job. Create employment.
Stop police brutality.
Okay?
End SARS. We don't want SARS. We don't want SWAT. Put a stop to police brutality. Embarrassment in Nigeria is becoming unbearable.
Unbearable.
It's becoming unbearable. Police are embarrassing our youth every day in the streets. Put a stop, Buhari. Put a stop.
For those that have lost their life, we say, may their soul rest in peace.
Amen.
They will ever be remembered.
They are heroes.
They are heroes.
They are heroes
of tomorrow. They fought this battle
for their country.
For their country. So they will ever be remembered. So we said peace to Nigeria.
Peace.
Peace to Nigeria.
Put a stop to police brutality.
Peace
we don't want SARS. We don't want SWAT. One love, Nigeria. One love.
One love is what we
will continue to unite. One love.
And luta continua Victoria Aseta.
Yes.
An injury to one is an injury to all.
Yes.
Thank
one
you guys
love, Nigeria.
For watching.
One love.
Please,
thank you, everybody who is fighting for Nigeria today.
Fighting for Nigeria.
Thank you for all our stars that come out to fight for their country today. God bless every one of you. Okay? Kudos to you all.
We say peace.
Peace in Nigeria.
Peace in Nigeria. Guys, if today is the first time of coming across our video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video out.
Yeah.
Let this video go viral. Because the president needs to see this video.
Yes.
Okay? We say one love.
One love.
So guys, see you on our next video. Bye.
Peace in Nigeria.